Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at multiplication lesson 8. Now, we've been doing partial products for the last two lessons, but those were with a two-digit number and a one-digit. Notice today that we're going to have a two-digit times a one-digit. So we can do the same thing, but it gets a little bit trickier. Okay, so let's look at this. I'm going to take 18. Oops, let me get my pen. And I'm going to pull apart 10 times 8. I'm going to one of two things. I could say 10 times 77, which we know 77 times 1 is 77, bring our zeros down. And I could say 77 times 8, that's 56, carry the 5, that's 56 again, add 5 is 61. And then I could add these ones up. That is your easiest one. Now, that's not always the easiest to do, though. I could also say 10 plus 8 times 70 times 7. Now, what that means is I'm going to have to share this number with both of the other numbers. And what that means is I'm going to say 10 times 70. Okay, that's 7, bring two zeros down. And 10 times 7, just going to get me 70. Then I have to also say 8 times 70. So 8 times 70, which is 56, bring on 1 0. And I have to say 8 times 7. It's 56. Then I have to add all of these up. Okay, so 770, I'm going to add them. It's going to get me 770. Then I have to add 560. Let's make a line here. It's going to get me 1,300. Then I have to add 56 here. I did this wrong. This should have been 8. Excuse me, I forgot to add the 1. 6, 8, 1, 3. All right, good job. All right, moving on. I'm going to show you both ways again. Okay, so I'm going to say 41 times, and I can break the 41 apart, or I could take the 70 and the 8 apart. I think 41 would be easier to add or multiply, so I'm going to say 70 plus 8. Okay, so I'm going to say 41 times 70. Well, 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Add my 0. Then I'm going to say 41 times 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. And I'm going to add these up. It's going to give me 11. Carry the 1. That's going to be 3,198. Now, again, I told you we could do it this way, too. We could say 40 plus 1 times 70 plus 8. And then let's take our colors. 40 times 70. So 40 times 70 is 2,800 because it's 28 plus the 2 zeros. Then we get 40 times 8. 40 times 8 is 320. Then get a new color. Let's use green this time. 1 times 70. So 70 times 1 equals 70. And then 8 times 1 equals 8. And if I add these all up, that's a horrible 8. There we go. That's even worse. Let's get a good 8 where we can read it better. Okay, we add these up. So if I say plus, 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 well, let's add 320 first. So this is going to get me 0 to 11. Carry the, it gives me 3,120. But I haven't added the 70, so that's going to get me 3,090. And then add the 8, and it gives me 3,198. Okay? Okay, go ahead and pause this video and you can pick one of either way. You can break both numbers apart or you could break one apart. I don't care how you do it. Just go ahead and practice these two. Pause the video and then come back and see if you got them correct. All right, for the first one, I'm just going to break the first apart. So I'm going to say 80 plus 2, okay? Times 83 times 83. And I shouldn't have said 22, but times 2, sorry. Whew, long morning already. So, actually, I'm going to flip these around to make it easier on me. I'm going to say 83 times 80 plus 83 times the 2. There we go. That'll make a little bit more sense. 8 times 3 is 24, carry the 2. 8 times 8 is 64, plus 2 is 66, bring down that 0. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 8 is 16. Adding them together, I get 6, I get 10, carry the 1, 7, 8. So I get 6,806. Okay, let's try this next one. I'm going to break both of them apart. So I'm going to say 20 plus 9 times 50 plus 2. Okay, get our colors. So first, 20 times 50 equals 2 zeros, 1, 2, and then 10. All right, then we have 20 times 2 is going to get me 40. Then I've got 9 times 50, so 50 times 9. 9 times 0 is 0, 9 times 5 is 45. And then 9 times 2 is 18. Now remember, we add these up, so I'm going to bring over the 40 and get me 1,040. Bring them over the 450. It's going to give me 0, 9, 4, and 1. Bring over the 18, and my answer will be, keep that 1,508. Great job. You are officially done with unit or multiplication lesson 8. Go ahead and head back to class craft, and I will see you back here for lesson 9.